Bears Pizza, so help wanted. Alright. So they're looking for a security guard. Okay. They're both there! Okay. I don't want to see the duck. I don't want to see him. Is Duck still there? Duck is still there. Duck is like the creepiest out of all of the characters. He just has this weird glare. Yeah. Stares into your soul. Just chill out. We're already 50%. No! No! Duck, go away, Duck. No! I don't want to eat. Duck. Shoot! What? Why? What? Why is this happening? Why can't I close the door? I don't even, it's jammed. Guys, it's jammed. Oh, shoot. Why do you do this to me? Why? No! Oh, crap. Okay, I hear, oh, what is that? What the heck is that? He's knocking on the door. Go away. I don't want any Girl Scout cookies. Please. 3. Oh, God, he's right there. I'm gonna lose. Oh, God. Oh, no. Hurry. 6 o'clock. No, I lost the game. I can't put myself through this anymore. I can't do it. Just stop. Oh my God. My shift is over. I freaking made it past the second night. I can't even see Foxy in there.
Oh,
Hello.
hey, you're doing great.
Thanks.
Most people don't last this long.
40. Oh, I'm 5%. 5%. Oh no. This is bad. Oh, Fox, don't come out, please. No, we're not gonna make it, guys. We are dead, man. I'm freaking dead. Oh God, Lordy, no. Hey. Yeah, okay, we know we're dead. Jump scare? Nope. Jump scare?